Dumbbell thrusters. So for the dumbbell thruster, we're going to go for a dumbbell front squats followed by a push press. So you're going to pick up the dumbbells, start with the dumbbells sitting on your shoulders, elbows pointing forwards. You're going to have your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to initiate the movement with a full squats, and then you're going to come up, and as you stand tall, you're going to finish with a push press. Again, bring the dumbbells down onto your shoulders first, and then you're going to go for a full squats, come up, and then finish off with a push press. Alright, so try to keep your abs and butt nice and tight as you go for the front squats, just to have more stability in the hips as you come down. Right, so go for full squats, and then come up. So your core should be nice and tight when you go for the full squat. As you go for the full push press, make sure you finish with your wrists over your shoulders, over your ankles at the top, rather than pressing the dumbbells forward. Okay, so make sure you squeeze those abs, squeeze your butt, keep your body nice and neutral, and you should be shrugging your shoulders and finishing with the dumbbells over your shoulders directly. Okay, so go for a full squats, come up, press, finish with your body nice and straight, as opposed to overextending your back, or finishing with the dumbbells in front of you.